My name is Onyeka Onwenu.
Onyeka Onwenu, the indomitable spirit of Nigerian music, activism, and culture, was tragically silenced on Tuesday, July 30, 2024. Her unexpected demise, following a performance at the 80th birthday celebration of business magnate Stella Okoli, plunged the nation into mourning. Born on January 31, 1952, in Obosi, Nigeria, Onwenu was a multifaceted luminary who illuminated every sphere she touched. Her resonant voice, both musically and socially, captivated audiences and inspired generations. Dubbed the elegant stallion by the Nigerian press, she was more than just a singer. She was a symbol of resilience, grace, and determination. Onwenu's musical journey was a testament to her artistry and passion. Hits like One Love became anthems, echoing the yearnings of a nation. Her music often served as a powerful platform for social commentary, addressing pressing issues with unwavering conviction. Beyond the stage, Onwenu was a tireless advocate for human rights and women's empowerment. Her roles as the chairperson of the Imo State Council for Arts and Culture and the director of the National Center for Women Development were testaments to her commitment to societal progress. She was a voice for the voiceless, a champion for justice, and an inspiration to countless women. Onwenu's personal life was equally compelling. While her professional achievements often took center stage, she was also a devoted mother. Her sons, Tijani and Abraham Ogunlende, were the pride of her life. Though details about her personal relationships were kept private, her maternal instincts were evident in her unwavering dedication to her children and her adopted role as a mother figure to many. Onwenu's life was a tapestry woven with threads of music, activism, and philanthropy. Her impact extended far beyond the entertainment industry. She was a role model, a mentor, and a friend to many. Her legacy is a testament to her extraordinary life and the enduring power of her spirit. The news of her passing has left an irreplaceable void in the hearts of millions. Onyeka Onwenu was more than a star. She was a constellation, guiding and inspiring those who looked up to her. Her light may have dimmed, but her legacy will continue to illuminate the path for generations to come.